In this video, we're going to discuss abnormal soils, quote unquote, a hard dig. Whether it's sandy soil, caliche, lots of rock, all the different things that can be considered abnormal in an excavation project. Hi there, my name is Evan Boyd from Shasta Pools. I'm a sales designer here. I've been in the business for 7 years. All right, so we're going to talk about abnormal soils. In the industry, it's often referred to as a hard dig. Shasta refers to it as abnormal or irregular soils. What that refers to is what we find in the soil as we're digging the pool. It might be clay, it might be granite rock, it might be little pieces of granite rock, big boulders, a big slab, might be tree roots, it could be leftover building materials that were previously buried. It could be a variety of things that are just in the soil that are not just natural, regular, diggable soil. So if we run into an abnormal soil condition, the excavator will step back, look at the site. He might find that as we do a test pass, that's sort of how we start the dig. We try to do a diagonal swath through the middle part of the pool to give us the best guess of what's going to be happening underground. For example, say we hit caliche. We find right away that there's a patch of caliche that's this size of an area in the pool. We don't know how deep it might go, but they'll determine a price at that time before we proceed any further and have a conversation with you. If you're comfortable with that pricing, they just get right back to work at that point and continue forward. And it's a deal direct scenario where you're paying them directly for this. Shasta's not involved. We're not doing an addendum or a markup or anything like that. But if you don't like that price, we would be happy to get you another bid from an independent vetted excavator, and we can even get you one more. Gives you an opportunity to kind of get a spectrum of what the market value is, so to speak. So it's a necessary evil because we have to deal with the things that we run into when we dig a pool, if there's anything beyond good quality soil. So the fact of the matter is we have to deal with getting everything out of this hole that we're going to make to build your swimming pool. So we just have to figure out a way to dispose of whatever we find or bring in more equipment, more time, labor, fuel. It's just a necessary thing if we run into it at all.